Another mobile from the so-called Donetsk People's Republic voluntarily surrendered and urges his fellow countrymen to do the same. Look at pictures of Mariupol. This is what Kharkiv, Dnipro, Kyiv will look like when we attack them. They are openly saying they want to turn Ukrainian cities to ruins, killing thousands, tens of thousands. They are talking about genocide.
Вспомните, сколько продолжался штурм Мариуполя. Сколько продолжался штурм Солидара, сколько продолжается штурм Бахмута, Северодонецка. Как вы думаете, как долго и какими средствами будут продолжаться штурмы по-настоящему больших городов? Вы представляете, что будет с Харьковом, например, когда мы его будем штурмовать? Представляете? Нет? Ну, посмотрите на фотографии Мариуполя. Вот что будет с Харьковом. Да, будет. И с Днепропетровском это будет, и с Киевом это будет.
Mortars of the Ukrainian 206th Territorial Defense Battalion, together with 1st Special Purpose Brigade, destroy the Russians. The UK increased the military package for Ukraine: 14 Challenger 2 main battle tanks, 30 AS-90 artillery systems, 100 new infantry fighting vehicles, including bulldogs, 100,000 artillery shells, 100 missiles of different types, GMRLS, Starstreaks. But most importantly, as part of a package of significant combat power to accelerate Ukrainian success, the UK will send a squadron of Challenger 2 tanks to Ukraine. Here's a minute of the Challenger 2 doing what it does best.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.